Bournemouth, Christchurch and Poole Council was formed in April of this year following a reorganisation of local government in Dorset. 9 authorities were merged into 2. I'm obviously part of one of them, the other one is Dorset Council. Being part of the highways team, we ended up with 3 different highway authorities coming together to form one, using many different operating systems and methods of working. It's been a big challenge for the team, starting to pull all that together, finding commonality in working practice, but also drawing together all the pools of data and various systems that the preceding authorities used.
Yotta's relationship with Bournemouth, Christchurch and Poole began when they first saw the system as part of their evaluation process in 2017. They've been looking for a system since 2016, and it was driven predominantly from changes in the code of practice, but also because they knew they were bringing together those discrete areas into a single unity.
Previous to local government reorganisation here in Poole, we were looking to update our systems for recording data and assets on the highway network, and we set up a contract with Yotta to use the Alloy product. That was the starting point of the development of the service for Bournemouth, Christchurch and Poole Council. We had a number of desired outcomes when we were looking for a new piece of software. One was transparency in the management and use of data. Secondly was to promote and make greater use of mobile working within our teams. And thirdly was to have a piece of software as a solution rather than host it ourselves. When we did our research, the product Alloy provided by Yotta met our needs. As a council, we face a number of challenges. For example, changes in code of practice to do with highway maintenance. We also face challenges dealing with and managing third-party claims against the authority. We're looking for a partner to help us meet that requirement, and Yotta and the Alloy product filled our aspirations. Alloy has been well received by the team. Many were familiar in the past with the use of tablets and smartphone style devices. It's been a natural rollout for many. Yotta and the team have helped us simplify workflows and make the transition for those that weren't familiar with that style of device as simple and straightforward as possible. We use Alloy for a number of reasons, and a number of teams now use the system. We have a team of highway inspectors that are physically out in the field completing their safety inspections using Alloy. That in turn is capturing defects which are turned into jobs, and we have maintenance teams picking those tasks directly up from the system and repairing defects and undertaking repairs in the field. Since the introduction of Alloy, we no longer use paper at all in the system. All of our maintenance teams and inspectors are using the same electronic devices. Data flows seamlessly from one device to the other at a click, so there is no paper and no risk of tasks or work getting lost. We've been using the system now for a number of months. We've had some real benefits with teams being able to use the system in the field, so inspectors generating jobs. These are fed automatically, instantaneously almost, to maintenance teams who are able to pick that work up and the associated pictures and text with those, complete the tasks in the field without returning to the office or generating any paperwork. Alloy's presenting us with a number of benefits. One, we're getting a bigger grasp on our network and the number of assets and services we look after. We're also now developing with our insurers a way of using that data to help manage our defence against third-party claims.
In terms of our relationship with BCP and going into the future, it's built on very sound foundations. When Simon Legg first brought the team down to our offices in Quedgeley, it was clear that they've got a very clear vision of where they want to go to. And they've got the short-term, medium-term and long-term views. And it's that long-term relationship that we're looking for with all of our customers, and we talk about partnerships. So ideally for us, we enter into a relationship. We provide the immediate needs that the project requires, but then during the life of our relationship, we're constantly looking at new technologies, we're implementing new functionality, we're helping them get the most out of the system, we're advising on best practice. So by the end of any period, it's actually growing, and the use of the system grows as well. Also, as part of the relationship, there's a real clear feeling for how the system can come in through one area, but then you can grow. In terms of the types of assets, in terms of the business areas, there's almost no end to where Alloy can fit in and support the processes. And I think Simon and the team have absolutely got that on their agenda, and that's more of their long-term vision of where they can take it.
Looking to the future, I'm really excited about the opportunities of working with Yotta and the Alloy product. There's huge advances to come in mobile working, sharing data, interrogating data, and presenting all that in a different way and in different formats for different people to meet different requirements. So I'm really excited about the future.